Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix black screen on your Safari. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. When you want to play video on Safari and it's showing here this type of error, then I will show you how can you fix this. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply close this page, and then let me tell you that you have to open settings. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply clear your search history and website data. So you have to open Safari and scroll it down, and here you can see clear history and website data. Just simply tap on this and then tap on clear history and data, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is there, then what you have to do is just simply reset all setting. Tap on settings, go to general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all setting, give your passcode, and here you can see reset all settings. So just simply tap on this will reset all setting. No data or media will be deleted. So after reset all setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open setting, and then let me tell you that this is the most important step for you. Just simply open Safari again, scroll it down all the way. Here you can see at the end advanced, so just simply tap on this, and you can see here experimental features. So just simply tap on this again, and then let me tell you that you have to search for GPU process media. If this toggle is off, you have to turn it on, and after this I'll guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.